I'm surprised.
Because the colonel, the assistant mayor, he was all
That's the way to
know
do it.
about it and
2 pieces
stuff.
of rebar. One roll at each end.
They said on Saturday? Hell, that's crazy. Well, this is definitely getting into work. Yeah, right there was almost an inch on top of that block when I started a while ago. It's moving all the way over there. I've had these holes drilled before. 8 feet away, foam starts shooting out of them. You gotta remember this stuff is pumping in 1,000 psi. It's 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's just like hot syrup running, you know, under pressure. It runs, man, like crazy. Baby, don't give up on me now. Don't give up on me yet. Running lightning.
Yes, sir. Let this trigger off and pumping air in there. All right, here it comes.